Welcome to a new version of the popular modeling software SeeSAR. We are now in version 3.3 and we have some exciting new features that we'd like to share with you. About 1/3 of marketed drugs are covalently bound molecules because covalent inhibitors are, for some targets, the perfect approach for therapies that require a high target occupancy for effective treatment. So because covalent inhibitors were not possible to manage beforehand in SeeSAR, we thought that might be an exciting feature to put in. So you can now load proteins with covalently bound molecules. I have an example here, 2HWO, and we can see here in the table that the estimated affinity is not shown of the overall compound because the inhibitor is covalently bound. I choose the inhibitor in chain number A because it has a better torsion. So when I click on this, I get a more detailed view about the binding situation. And as we can see, there is a green or red sphere on each atom, which shows the contribution of the corresponding atom to the overall binding affinity. Now, while with non-covalently bound molecules, we get an estimated affinity for the overall compound, for the covalently bonded molecule, we get the individual contributions of the atoms only, because obviously the covalent bond is much higher in energy, and therefore in relation to the covalent bond, the non-bonding interactions are way smaller and therefore not comparable. But with this picture here, it is already possible to estimate regions of the molecule that might need modification. For example, in this case, the amide nitrogen is lacking an interaction with the receptor, a hydrogen bonding interaction that overcompensates the loss in desolvation for this particular atom. Likewise, this aromatic carbon atom is sort of shielding off the backbone NH here. So possibly there could also be a different chemical environment be formed. So with this new feature, I think we can extend the reach of SeeSAR quite a bit, and we are excited to introduce this new feature in the modeling package.